For homeowners in Hilliard, comfort and energy efficiency are top priorities, especially during Florida's warm, humid months. While most people think about upgrading their HVAC systems or adding insulation to improve home comfort, one of the most effective upgrades often goes overlooked: new windows. Modern window technology is designed not only to boost your home's energy performance but also to enhance airflow and indoor comfort, helping you enjoy a cooler, fresher, and more relaxing living space year-round. Here's how replacing your old windows can make a real difference in your Hilliard home. Better airflow through smarter design. Older windows often have limited functionality. They might not open easily, may stick in place, or lack the design flexibility needed to encourage proper ventilation. Over time, paint buildup, warping, or rust can also make it difficult to open them safely, restricting natural airflow throughout your home. Newer window designs solve this issue with smooth operating mechanisms and advanced features that maximize air circulation. For example, casement windows open fully outward, allowing breezes to flow directly into your home. Double-hung windows provide ventilation from both the top and bottom, giving you better control over air movement. Awning windows can be open even during light rain, letting in fresh air without letting moisture in. With professionally installed, modern windows, Hilliard homeowners can enjoy more natural ventilation, reducing their reliance on air conditioning and creating a healthier, more balanced indoor environment. Reducing hot spots and improving temperature balance. Have you ever noticed certain rooms in your home feel hotter than others? Uneven temperatures are a common issue in older houses, often caused by inefficient, drafty windows that allow heat to enter or escape. Modern replacement windows are built with energy-efficient glass and insulated frames that help regulate indoor temperatures. Low emissivity coatings reflect the sun's heat away from your home during the summer while keeping warmth inside during cooler months. In Hilliard's subtropical climate, where sunlight and humidity can quickly heat up interiors, new windows make a significant difference. You'll experience fewer hot spots, a more consistent indoor temperature, and greater comfort without overworking your HVAC system. Keeping out humidity and moisture. Florida's humidity can make homes feel sticky and uncomfortable, especially if moisture seeps through old, worn-out window seals. Once condensation forms, it can lead to mold growth and a damp indoor atmosphere that's tough to manage. New windows come with advanced weather stripping and airtight seals that keep humid air outside where it belongs. This not only prevents moisture intrusion but also improves indoor air quality by reducing the chance of mildew and allergens forming around window frames. By keeping your interior environment dry and cool, your new windows help maintain a healthier, more enjoyable living space, even on the muggiest Hilliard days. Enhanced comfort with energy efficiency. New windows are designed with comfort and efficiency in mind. Multi-pane glass filled with insulating gas, thermally improved frames, and tight seals all work together to block heat and drafts. That means your air conditioner won't have to run constantly, allowing you to stay comfortable while reducing energy costs. In fact, many homeowners in Hilliard find that new windows can lower their utility bills by up to 20 to 30%, depending on their home's age and condition. The result is a cooler, more comfortable home that's easier and more affordable to maintain. Professional installation for lasting results. While window quality is important, proper installation is what ensures your new windows perform at their best. Professional installers make sure each unit fits perfectly, is properly sealed, and functions smoothly. In Hilliard's coastal climate, this precision helps prevent leaks, air infiltration, and premature wear, extending the lifespan of your investment. Local professionals also understand how to select windows that stand up to Florida's sun, rain, and humidity, ensuring lasting comfort and durability. Final thoughts. In Hilliard, comfort starts with a home that breathes well, stays cool, and feels consistently pleasant no matter the season. New window installation offers all of these benefits, improving airflow, controlling humidity, and keeping your indoor temperatures balanced year-round. By investing in modern, energy-efficient windows and professional installation, you're not just enhancing your home's look, you're creating a more comfortable, sustainable, and enjoyable living space for years to come. When you're ready to experience a fresher, brighter home, consider how new windows can open the door to better comfort and airflow in your Hilliard residence.